guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited because I have a huge Adoreme haul right here. As you can see, this whole box is worth $500. This video is sponsored by them. So thank you very much, Adoreme, for sponsoring this video and for sending me this amazing huge haul to share with my audience. And if you guys don't know what Adoreme is an online lingerie store. They have amazing quality items for lingerie. They have pajamas, loungewear, they have swimwear, they have even a sports section with amazing leggings. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys all the amazing goodies that they sent me. And before I start, my voice is a little bad. I lost my voice because I've been sick for the past 2.5 weeks with the flu, and thank God I'm already like getting out of it, but that is why I have my voice like that. So bear with me, and yeah, let's get started to the amazing box of Adoreme. Okay, so here's the box. It says, Adoreme, whatever you want to do in our lingerie, we support you, hashtag here for it. So right here I have a lot of like lingerie, which I will not be trying it on. I will be showing you guys, but whatever it's like pajamas or like leggings, I will show you a little clip of how it looks like on me. And the other stuff I will just show you, and everything is gonna be linked in my description. I do have a specific link which you get $24 of your first set, which is amazing. And I love this brand because they're all about putting women first, all about supporting your own body, being good and feeling amazing in your own skin. So I really like that. And a lot of these items are for like New Year's, like if you want to wear it with your New Year's. There's a lot of lingerie that could go nice with like a blazer or something like that, which I showed some of that so you guys can get the idea. And that's why I wanted to do it before the New Year's. So yeah, let's just show you one by one. I have right here the name of the item, but either way, like I said, everything is going to be linked in my description. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you do. Okay, so here's a little pamphlet which says Adoreme, the sister brands. They have different brands within Adoreme. They even have like a makeup line, which is incredible. So the first item I have here, I believe, is a legging. So let me show you guys. This legging is like super like stretchy. It's a really nice and thick material, which is amazing for like working out, or if you want to do like some yoga. I think these are great for that. This one is black. They have different colors. I chose black because it fits. I usually do black leggings all the time, so I think this is really helpful for me. This is the Sophia seamless legging. And like I said, it's a really nice, stretchy, flexible material. I like it. Next, we have a sports bra. And this is from the brand within Adoreme of Earth Republic. It's a really pretty like ombre color between like black and gray. It's really nice. It's a really good quality material. It's super pretty, and you can wear this on itself, or you could wear it like with like a t-shirt. So this will go on the bottom to work out, or just on a daily basis, like to run some errands and stuff, which is what I use it for. And I really like that it does have an insert, so nothing can be seen. And yeah, it's really pretty. This is called the Maeve Ombre Sports Bra. Next, we have a hoodie, and this is from Adoreme, but the brand Earth Republic within Adoreme. So I like that they have different brands like sports, lingerie. This one is a black, and it's like a really like nice material. It's like a soft fabric, but it's like shiny. It's really cute, especially to like work out. And this is called the Myah Escape Luxe Hoodie. Next, we have a lingerie set. So I love that with every like bra that you choose, it comes with a matching panty, and this is wonderful. So let's see this one. I believe this was that Tatum online, and the panty is a hipster. So it's really pretty like this. This is a very nice lingerie and very sexy. I love the black and then the nude under. It doesn't have, like this one specifically, it doesn't have any push-up. It's online, but I think it's really nice. I like it. I like something simple like that. I think it's like a little bit elegant. And let me show you the matching panties, which is a hipster. It's like it's all like clear, see-through, which is super cute, especially for like a sexy night or something, just to feel sexy in your own skin. I love this. Next, we have a crop tank. This is like a rose tone. I really love this nude rose. And the fabric is really flexy. It's really pretty, and it's perfect for like working out or just on the go, like to be at home and stuff. I like it. And this is called the Micah cropped tank. So as you can see here, it's really pretty, and it's really nice, and it goes for like everything that you could possibly, like a nice legging, some jeans, and this is perfect. Next, we have this cute set that is new for New Year's, kind of like the theme Moonlight Under the Stars. You could wear something sexy, like a sexy lingerie. For like New Year's, like a blue will be super nice. I love blue and gold for New Year's, so this will be perfect for that. Or like just to have like a sexy lingerie for after. Hint. So yeah, so this is really cute. I love this design. It's online. It doesn't have any like push-up or any insert right here, but it's a really nice design. I really like it. It's very sexy. You can see here everything is very detailed and with the most like care, and it comes with the matching panties. It's the matching panties right here, super nice. I adore this color. This is like a royal blue, and this is called the Emmeline Unlined, and this is the cheeky bottom. Super cute set. I really like this, and it could go under your favorite dress for New Year's to celebrate, and under you'll be looking fabulous and sexy. Next, we have a corset, and I really like the corsets from Adoreme, because they could be put not only like to stay like at home and be sexy at night and stuff, but you can go out with corsets. Like you could put some nice leggings or like a jean or like a skirt, maybe like a nice gold, black, or even red skirt with these. This one is like I believe like a nude tone. It's between like white, off-white, and pinkish, so I really like it. This one's called the Jasmine Unlined. So it doesn't have any push-up either, but the details are very impressive. And then you tie this at your legs, super cute. And then right here on the bottom, you have the string to tighten the corset, and it comes with the matching panties. This is like a thong. I love the lace here, it's super elegant, and this will go so good for like New Year's. If you want to like be sexy, I think you could match these like type of corset. They have many different designs. This corset with like some sexy silk legging and high heels, and you'll be crushing with your look for New Year's Eve. Okay, so next we have this super cute pajama set. It's in beige, and it comes with the pants, which have pockets right here on the sides. It has like a nice design. I hope you can see it there. The fabric is super soft and comfy. It's like super light. And here's a cute shirt. It's a string shirt, t-shirt. It's super cute. I think this is perfect to be around the house, especially if it's like not like cold or like not hot, like in between. I think this set is perfect for that. I love it. Next, we have a one-piece shirt, and it's this super cute brown. I really like these to wear like on when I go out. I put this with a pair of jeans or like joggers, and it's like the perfect outfit. And this is called the Mila Unlined. I really love this color. Actually, now I think it's really cute for the season. Next, we have this one-piece porter shirt, because it's like long sleeve but by here, and it's super cute. This you can wear like to go out run some errands. I think this will be super cute, even with like some shorts. I think it will look super cute, and some sneakers. It's like the perfect combination. And this one's called Guilia, and it has like a super cute color. I love this like blue turquoise. Next we have this t-shirt, and it's matching with the other shirt, like the colors are matching, but this one is a string shirt. And I think this is super cute for like to be at home with like your pajamas, match it with any of your bottom pajamas. It will look super cute, and it looks super like comfortable. And it's called Janele. Next we have this stars pajama set, perfect for New Year's Eve. This is called the Samy, and it comes with the matching shorts, which are super sexy and cute. It's full of like stars. It's super cute. And the matching shirt, which is a long sleeve. You could put this up, like roll it up. I think it will look super cute now for New Year's Eve celebration. The last item is this pajama set, which has stars as well, and it's purple. I love the color purple, and it's a long sleeve. I'll show you guys. It's a long sleeve. It's super cute. The texture is really nice and cozy, and then it comes with the matching pants, which are super nice as well. And I really like the color, and the fabric is super soft and perfect to be at home, especially if you're not going anywhere on New Year's Eve. I think this will be a cute outfit just to wear at home. And yeah, that's it for this amazing Adoreme haul. Thank you very much, Adoreme, for partnership with me with this video. Thank you for sending me this amazing haul. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to use the link in my description to get your first set for $24. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys, and Happy New Year's!